Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to learn to knit this beautiful stitch pattern. You can use this pattern in your gents sweater, ladies sweater, blanket, baby's blanket. See, this is the way it looks like. Wrong side looks like this. So this is only a 8 rows repeat pattern, and you need to cast on multiples of 6 plus 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 6 plus 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 14 stitches on my needle, which is 6 plus 6 12 and 2 edge stitch 14. So row 1 right side, knit your edge stitch through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Sorry, purl 1. And after purl 1, twist 2 to the left way, bring this stitch here from the front side like so, and from these 2 knit 1, purl 1, twist 2 to the left way, bring the stitch here from the back side, and from these 2 purl 1, knit 1 and purl 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 1, twist 2 to the left way, sorry, right way, from that twist 2, knit 1, purl 1, twist 2 to the left way, from that twist 2, purl 1, knit 1, and then here purl 1. Repeat that again. Purl 1, twist 2 to the right way, from these 2 knit 1, purl 1, twist 2 to the left way, from these 2 purl 1, knit 1 and purl 1. Your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 2 wrong side. Row 2 wrong side, knit on edge stitch and purl on purl stitch. So slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 1, knit 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, knit 1. This is the repeat pattern. Repeat that again. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, knit 1, and your edge stitch and in front, slip on the wrong side. Row 3. For row 3, knit your edge stitch through the back loop. Start the repeat from here. Twist this 2 to the right way, so bring this stitch here from the front side, and from these 2 knit this twisted stitch and purl this 1 stitch, knit 1, purl 1, and here purl 2, twist 2 to the left way, and from these 2 purl 1, knit 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Twist 2 to the right way, from the twist 2 knit 1, purl 1, here purl 2, twist 2 to the left way, purl 1, knit 1. Repeat that again. Twist 2 to the right way, from these 2 knit 1, purl 1, purl 2, twist 2 to the left way, from these 2 purl 1, knit 1, edge stitch, knit. Row 4. For row 4 wrong side, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 1, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 4 and purl 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 1, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and purl 1. Repeat that again. Purl 1, knit 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and purl 1. Your edge stitch slip on the wrong side. Row 5. For row 5, slip your edge stitch, knit your edge stitch through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Now we're going to twist 2 to the left way first and then right way. So twist 2 to the left way, so bring this stitch here from the back side, and from these two purl 1, knit 1, purl 2, here twist 2 to the right way, from these two purl 1, knit 1. That's the repeat. Twist 2 to the left way, purl 1, knit 1, from this 2, purl 2, twist 2 to the right way, from this 2, knit 1, purl 1. Again twist 2 to the left way, purl 1, from this 2, purl 1, knit 1, purl 2, twist 2 to the right way, and from these two knit 1 and purl 1. Your edge stitch knit. Row 6, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, knit 1. That's the repeat. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, knit 1. Again knit 1, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1 and knit 1. Your edge stitch here in front and slip. Row 7. For row 7, knit your edge stitch through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Purl 1, twist 2 to the left way, from these two purl 1, knit 1, twist 2 to the right way, from these two knit 1, purl 1 and purl 1. That's the repeat. From here to here, purl 1, twist 2 to the left way, from the 2 purl 1, knit 1, twist 2 to the right way, knit 1, purl 1 and purl 1. Again purl 1, twist 2 to the left way, from these two purl 1, knit 1, twist 2 to the right way, knit 1, purl 1 and purl 1. Your edge stitch knit. Row 8, last row, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Knit 2, purl 2, knit 2. That's the repeat. Knit 2, purl 2, knit 2. Again knit 2, purl 2 and knit 2. Your edge stitch and in front and slip. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat these 8 rows, row 1 to row 8, over and over again until you reach your horizontal length. And after you finish all repeats for a last